Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2006 Honda VTX1300. This bike's got right around 28,500 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around it, and then we are going to fire it up so you can hear it run. This middleweight cruiser is in real good shape. It's been very well taken care of. As you can see by the front end, everything's in good shape. We are going to be putting a set of tires on this bike. It comes with highway pegs. It also has footboards for the driver. And then it has aftermarket pipes on it as well. I have found one little dent in the tank right here. If I can get the light on it just right. There you go. Kind of see it there right above my finger. I do have a few other scratches on it here. And a couple of scratches on the tail end. Got to be from somebody strapping something to the back seat. I don't find any damage where it looks like it's been tipped over or laid down. A little more scratching here on the back end too. And we're going to be putting a new back tire on this bike as well. It also comes with a Mustang seat. Again, footboard for the driver. Bike's got a lot of chrome on it. Good looking. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles now. $28,598 is what's on this bike. This bike will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.